Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson EcoTank L8050 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC. Right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds and properties scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Epson EcoTank L8050 printer driver, download and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Epson. Open the first link. Whatever first link is, open that first link. Here we find the printer name and EcoTank printer in Epson official website. Open the first link. And Epson official website is open. Here we find our printer name Epson L8050. Scroll down. Here we find the operating system. If operating system or bit is not right, then click it here. If Windows 10 32-bit, then select Windows 10 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. If detect is not present at here, then here we find go button. Click on that go button. Page goes to the refresh, and after that here we find the upward driver. Scroll down and here we find drivers, expand drivers. Here we find printer driver, download it. Here we find printer driver, click on the download and it's redirect to the another web page. Click on I agree to the software license agreement. Select this, check this, and here we find the download. Click on the download and download is started at the top. At the top, our download is started. Wait for a few seconds to download to complete. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and this setup file is actually a zip file. These printer drivers files are a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Right click on it, click on the extract files. Click on the extract files, right click and click on the extract files. Click on the OK. Now it's unzipping our files. It's unzip our files and create a new folder on desktop. Double click on it. Double click on it. Here we find WinX if 64, if your machine is 64, if 32, then it shows 32-bit, 32 or 86. In this case, this is 64. Double click on it. Here we find the drivers. Close it. Next step is install that drivers. That is also easy and simple. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. Here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Click on the yes. Close it. Here we find many options. Go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select the last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you find. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you find. Select a USB port. Click on the next. Here we find Havitics. Click on Havitics. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. On desktop, here we find our newly extracted folder, unzip folder. Double click on that folder. Double click on this folder. Go to your file depending on your bit. Double click on it. Here we find some file. Select any file. All file contains same printer driver. Select any file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find Epson L8050 series. It is a series printer. Select that printer. Click on the next. Here we find printer name. Give any printer name that you like. I go with the same printer name. Click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take few seconds to install this printer. Few minutes to install this printer. So be patient and wait for a few minutes to properly install this printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. After installation process is complete, we go to our next process and finish our installation, and after that check our printer is properly working on our Windows 10 PC or laptop by the simplest way. So be patient and wait for a few minutes to properly install this printer driver on our PC or laptop. Don't do anything. Wait for a few seconds to install this printer driver. Our printer drivers are now installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In the printers and scanner, if you find your printer name Epson L8050, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.